Hi guys. So the first thing I gotta do is try and grind all that weld back out so I can get that panel to fit in there right. We'll see. I might as well get the other side because I think I have enough drip rail I can fix both sides. This side isn't as bad, but we'll see. I gotta start grinding away. Try and get that all out of there. While I'm trying to grind that out of there, I wish I was better at grinding. That Chad makes it look so easy. I don't know. I'm trying. Okay. All that weld's grounded out. Now I'm just trying to fit the panel in there. Tweak it around to where she's sitting flush with the body. We'll see. I got some more work to do. It's getting closer though. I'm not going all the way to the end, so I'm not worried about it. Probably in about an inch. She's getting there. A little more work to do. Well, guys, I've been shaping and twisting, and I cut it down, cut it to about the size I need. I damn near got it. A new drip rail for patches. I still have to grind the weld up underneath there and try and be careful, but that's running right around along the edge. It's good down here. Not an easy thing to make. It's got a little lip like it's supposed to. And if I can weld it in there, we'll be in business. And that's far enough back to get to some good metal. Get all this stuff out here, and then when I weld it, I'll have room to grind. So yeah. I didn't know if I could do it, but I did it. So far. We'll see if I can get her in there. Yes, I know my bench is a mess. I need to take a few minutes and straighten everything out. I just don't have a lot of storage space in the garage, so it's hard. And a bench turns into a catch-all. So I've been knocking the weld down that I had down underneath there. And looks like I gotta attach it a little bit. try and get that new lip in there. And maybe when I fix this pillar on the inside, because there's some rust holes right there, I can get, if I have to cut a big enough patch out, maybe I can get my hands in there and seam seal that seam once it's all in there, because it's going to be hard to attach this piece to this piece. I don't know. I might weld a little lip in there that it sits on. I'm not sure yet. I'll keep cleaning that and cutting to where that patch fits. So she'll go in there, something like that. Other thing, I was looking for a wheel tub inner wheel tub for this side to see what it would cost. And I ran across a patch panel on eBay for 80 some bucks for this side. And I thought, what the heck? So, it's got bolt holes in it. Not sure what gauge metal that is. I think it's a little lighter than 18 gauge. And it took me a second, but it goes in here. It's not very good to see, and it doesn't fit the greatest. It basically goes from that bolt hole there, which will get rid of most of that rust. It actually has the curve that I need to fix that. And then I just have a little patch right there to do. And I don't need the back piece, but they'll give me some metal with some bends in it. And maybe a nut or two that I could save. Thinking I could take the nut's still right there, but the bottom one's missing. So I might be able to move that nut down to the bottom one. Get this fitting in there. Plus there's a little bit of rust on the underside, which this has a lip, which should take care of most of that. So that ain't a bad idea. Or I mean, it'll take care of a lot of the rust on this one side. It doesn't go low enough for this side, but if I can find that bottom piece and then this top piece, that would take care of most of the rust over here too. It would take care of that hole where that bolt's supposed to be, and it would take care of all that, most of that, down to that third bolt up, or nut up from the bottom. Take care of a lot of the Bondo too. So I don't know, I have to dig the Bondo out of that, see how bad that whole quarter is. But that's what I'm working on tonight. I bought my first patch panel. I don't know. That's the part number. The nuts are like tacked on the backside instead of countersunk like a original Volkswagen, but that ain't too bad. I think I can work with that. It's better than hand shaping metal by myself. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.